G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I ordered a couple of radios off eBay and that looked very interesting. So I think they're both Transistor. I'm not real sure actually. I forgot what I ordered. So today the unpacking. Now we all love these unpacking videos, don't we? Let's see what they are, because I've actually, well, it's a few weeks since I had a look at what this was. So let's get into it. Let's have a look and see what they are. And what I want you guys to tell me is which one you want to see first, which one you want to see done up. Okay, so it'll be, well, hopefully a restoration, come repair, come everything. Well, can't promise you too much, because if they can't be repaired, well, there's a bit of a problem there. But I think my theory is anything can be repaired. If it worked once, it'll work again. Okay, here we go. Now, the guy I got this off is lives down in Victoria, which is a few hundred k's from where I am. And this is in Australia, by the way. So for all you guys elsewhere, the bottom end of Australia. Well, not quite the bottom end. Tasmania is the bottom end. Okay, so that's just got to. Boy, this is well packed. So the guy who packed this, top marks, mate. This is excellent. I don't even know his name other than an eBay ID. So I just found these interesting. Okay. Boy, this lad or lady has really packed these well. This is good packing. This is how things should be packed. And you'll excuse me for not coming on camera today because, well, got an old t-shirt on. I've got my thongs on because it's about 36, 38 here in the shed. Pretty warm. And, yeah, it was too hot to put anything else on. Okay, what have we got? Do you guys want to see this one? Oh, yeah. A challenge. We have no knob there. Oh, yes, the dial cord works. These are a beautiful radio. Now, I do have a handle for this. So the handle's not a problem. The actual knob may be a problem. I'm sure I can get something to fit, but I'd like the original. So, yeah, I think these are a HMV challenge. I'm thinking. So there it is. A little bit of a blemish there. Yeah, it's been hit with something. That we can push that out. That's not a real problem. The vinyl here is in very good order. Badge, beautiful order. A little bit of TLC just along here with cleaning. Tone control up here. Okay. And as I said, the handle, well, yes, I've got one. So, what's inside? We don't know. And I'm not going to tell you until we work out, well, until you guys work out which one of these you want to see first. Okay, so we've got a very high performance challenge. These are a beautiful radio. Right, that's that one. Okay, just like Christmas, isn't it? Okay, I do remember what I ordered here. Okay. Right. And I probably know what you want to see first. Okay. Right. Ooh, a bit rugged, but ooh, where's the bottom of it? There's the back of it. That back should be a giveaway. There she is. That's a Philips. Not, I can't remember the model. Bernier Drive. These. Beautiful radio. So we've got a little bit of work with this one. A little bit of work on there. Okay. So what have we got? We've got no handle, but we could adapt a leather handle there out of a leather strap. We would just need one similar colour to this. Aerial and earth connections. Okay. Up here. Volume. Okay. On, off, bass, treble. And those switches work. And the buttons that are always missing are there. The rest of this will clean up pretty well. Yeah, there's a couple of things here. I don't have a 3D printer, which would have been handy to replicate that. But I think we can get around this somehow. Now, across the back here, there's been labelling and labelling along here. This sort of has to be, I don't know whether it's filled and sanded or, yeah, or what. But there's a little bit of work. Looks like a dog's eating it. Yeah. Anyway, there it is. Can we do anything with this? This would be a nice little performer. It's a Philips. We don't know about the IF transformers in this. As you know, it's a Philips and they can catch out. But then again, we've done it before. The dial is in excellent condition. And boy, that is so smooth. That works so well. This would be a nice little radio. Okay, guys, there it is. Now, not real sure of the model of this. We'll find out down the track. Which radio do you want to see? Okay, so is it the HMV Challenge or the Philips? Both AM radios, both transistorized. Well, I'm assuming this is transistorized. Yes, it would be. So there we go. Which one do you want to see? Give me an overwhelming support on on one of them anyway, so I know what I'm doing. And of course, they'll both be done, but which one lines up first? Yeah, I'm a bit biased towards one of those. I'll let you guys make the decision. If you want to follow it, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll be notified as soon as I start one of those. And give us a thumbs up if you, if you like these radios and you want to see more of the videos. Okay, guys, we'll catch you soon. Just let me know, and I'll be back real soon with some other videos that's in the pipeline at the moment. Okay, cheers for now. Bye.